Wrong hat. So I am in the Buffalo airport, and the reason that I am here and awkwardly filming this as I try not to run into anything on the way to my gate is that all of us from Team August and now
Where are we going?
Oh, we're going to Colorado.
Woo!
I'm leaving Seattle and I'm coming to Denver to surprise Amber for her birthday, and I'm gonna see you in like a couple of hours. So happy.
Okay, it's 1 o'clock on a Friday and I'm home from work, which first of all is amazing. Amber has no idea we're coming to surprise her. Hi Amber, I love you and I'm going to see you so soon and you don't even know. It is ridiculous. Ridiculous. I'm so excited. I don't know.
We got our tickets!
We're going! Woo! There are not many things that would make me leave this face, that one, for 4 days. I'm boarding. I'm going to see you so soon and you don't even know it. I'm so excited.
and she has no idea, and I don't know, this is just really cool. Happy birthday, Amber. We're coming for you.
I'm gonna be there in a few hours. I'm leaving Seattle right now.
It's a party plane. I like it. Get it.
Bring it on.
Hi, we are at the final approach. We told Amber that we were going to dinner for our 30th anniversary, but we lied. We met Nanny.
She lied.
Okay, I lied. We met Nanny and Papa at the final approach. Hello. Hi. We are waiting to pick up Sarah Hawkins, our very first arrival, and then we're going to take her to eat, and that's it for now.
That's it.
What do you want to say?
I thought we were supposed to talk about the thing.
What thing?
What we're doing.
Oh.
The girls coming and all that.
Would you like not
Go ahead.
record?
Come on, get over here.
Recording all that?
Come on. So,
What?
why are we here?
We are here to begin the celebration for Amber's birthday. This is a surprise for Amber, and we're bringing all the girls in one at a time.
What girls?
Almost. The girls on her team.
What team?
August.
I thought it was August.
It's either one. I don't know.
Who says August?
Depends on who you are.
Everyone.
Okay.
Except Sarah Michaels.
Sarah says August.
Anyway, and then they're going to be coming in over the next 3 hours, and then we're going to meet them at Dave & Buster's to hopefully surprise her.
Which
And
cost me $150 to get her there.
Josh is going to take her along with one of their cousins and a friend of hers to dinner in Denver, and then they're going to go to Dave & Buster's, and we're going to have all the girls there to surprise her.
It's about to happen. Say hi, Sarah, as you fall out of the car. Ready? We're here. What up?
Whoa, that got really close. Oh my gosh, that was so weird.
And now there's really loud music. Seriously?
Sarah's laughing at me. She's right there. Here. Hi. Anyways.
My birthday's in August rather than August.